We are going to harvest lima beans today. We had a pest infestation on this plant, and what we had and what we still have is sting bugs. There are so many of them in here, so I could not find a trap or kill them individually. There were so many, so I'm just going to harvest these beans early. So if you don't know what a lima bean is, see, this is it. This is a baby lima bean, not the big one. I have a big variety as well, but they are not ripe yet. I also have some beans on them as well. See, this is how the flowers look in a lima bean plant. Oh, just fell down. See, like this. And the pods develop like this, and when they start to develop, when the beans start to develop, stink bugs attack and they suck out the juices and it becomes very dried out. See, this is how they look, the flower. So we'll harvest some really young pods today. The outer casing is not edible. You'll have to eat the beans, that is the edible part. So you have to check if they are plump like this or more. Minimum, you have to make sure that the bean is at least this big, this plump, before harvesting it. So see, this is supposed to be bigger than this. The sting bug attacked it and it became thin. Anyways, I'm going to harvest it. See, I harvested this much. This is a perfectly healthy bean. See, this is how it should this is how the bean should look. I'll pick the rest. It's a bit difficult to harvest now because we didn't think that it will grow this much. I was thinking that it's a bushy lima bean plant, but it was a vine. By the time I realized it, I had to go from this place, so I couldn't make a fence for it, a trellis. So I'll just have to harvest it like this. My parents, they did not do anything. They just left it like this. This is the first time we are planting lima beans in our yard. See, we have some really good beans over here. So difficult to, it's difficult to harvest from this side. I'm inside the bush. See, this is how much we got. Oh, this is almost 1.5 pounds, 750 grams maybe, yeah. It's more than that. It's almost about 1 kilogram. It's heavy, very heavy. The beans are really heavy. It might look very light from outside, but they're full, really full. See, yeah. You'll get this much beans from this much pods. See, we shelled it and there is a lot of pod here, shells here, so we get only this much beans. But this is really heavy. See, they're very heavy. Really protein rich and starchy. So we'll cook it now.